All right, real quick tool bag review, if you want to call it that, of the it's listed on Amazon. It says a tool pouch. You know, I got the 2-pack, blue, and it comes in black too. So same thing. I got the 2-pack. You know, so I think it was like 16 bucks or something for both of them. Not bad. All right, looking at this thing. You know, you got your pockets, you got your elastic strap to hold stuff in. You got this little pouch here. You could hold sockets or, I don't know, spare bullets, whatever you want. Yeah, it's a nice little, let me see. Do I have sockets? Probably. Give me a minute. All right, here's a 7/8. It's probably too big for this. You got smaller sockets, I guess you could use. How the hell? Yeah, these are really, really, really tiny. There's no way you're gonna fit it. Maybe like a 10 or 12 or something like that in here. Okay, so there's an adapter. I don't know. I don't know if you want to put an adapter in here. It won't fit. You know, I mean, you could sort of work, but it'll probably fall out unless you put it on this side. I don't know. That'll hold. I don't have small sockets. What the f? Let's see. You could put like Allen keys and stuff in here. That works. Yeah, that'll hold it. That'll hold it in place. It's like comparable to a smaller socket. You can feel like a 10 or a 12 millimeter in here easy, you know. Allen keys you could definitely put in here. That would work, you know, without losing everything. What else? This you'd have to put it. This you'd have to put on this side. And strap it like that so it doesn't fall out. Because if you put it on this side, it's a possibility it could fall out. But you know, you get the idea. With something like this is definitely comparable to like a, you know, smaller socket, and this would fall in. I don't have any smaller sockets on me. I'm too lazy to go get them right now. But like, yeah, something like that would work in these you know, this little area here. Yeah, straps. You know, you'd hold stuff in. I don't know if you could fit a firearm in here. I don't know, but quite possible. Yeah, here we go. Some wrenches. Some sorry, I got a lot on my mind right now. Vice grips. I don't know. You can shove stuff in here. Use the strap, put it in there. Yeah, that would definitely hold in place, but I wouldn't trust these straps for too long. They would probably stretch out over time. So just be mindful of that. You know, you cram like stuff in here. As long as the pockets are big enough, like jam that in there like that. You know, use your imagination. Roll it up, see what it looks like. And it rolls up nice. And you get these elastic things that come out. Okay, so it rolls this way. So you start with the end here, the end, and it rolls up like that. Then you got the elastic thing comes out. Strap it up. That's it. Just be mindful. This elastic will probably stretch over time especially if it gets wet and dirty, which inevitably it will. And then there's you know, heat cycling, all that kind of stuff, which affects all these things all the time. So, you know, there you go. It's good. Nice little tool roll. It'll save some space in your trunk. You know. Or if you want to just get some giant rubber bands and put it around it, if these stretch out, you can just, you know, like that. And it'll work just fine. Because inevitably these straps will stretch and they will, you know, they'll get very stretchy and they'll lose their effectiveness in holding this thing together. Anyhow, yeah, so that's the end of it. Just make sure your stuff doesn't fall out of the back. Yeah, that's it. I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to buy it. Thanks for watching.